Watering, a very important aspect in gardening. Rather, I should say, most important aspect. Water, when in excess, harms your plant. Water, when short, again harms your plant. So it's very important to go for optimum quantity of water. But how to decide? कैसे पता चलेगा कि पानी की कितनी जरूरत है? The best way is to take a look around stem, take a pinch of soil, and try to press it between your thumb and index finger. If the soil is easily removed, then it means moisture is not too high. If it is too sticky, that means you need not to go for water for next few days depending upon the type of plants. तो इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि आप मिट्टी को देख के और पौधे को देख के जिस हिसाब से उसको पानी चाहिए उतना ही दें, क्योंकि अगर रूट्स में वाटर स्टैग्नेशन इज देयर, इट विल कॉज रॉटिंग ऑफ प्लांट.